Hello friends, this is Gunjan Sharma back again with a new episode of Yoga A Deep Communion. Today we're gonna talk about Tadasana. In Sanskrit, Tada means mountain and asana means pose. Hence the name mountain pose. It is an ideal pose for those with weak back muscles and rounded backs as it can help restore the body's natural alignment. Children are often suggested to practice this asana and it can help in increasing the height. This asana can also improve posture. Here are some of the benefits you will derive once you start practicing Tadasana. Improves your posture. If you have the tendency to hunch or slouch, then practicing Tadasana can be of help. When you do this asana and do it regularly, you will notice that back pain you felt will go away. You will learn to stand tall naturally and your posture will improve. May help increases height. If you start practicing this pose early on and stick to it, you can end up gaining a few extra inches. Yes, this asana helps increase height. If it's too late for you now, you can ask your children to start practicing Tadasana. Boost mental awareness. Yoga is not just about movement but meditation too. This pose helps you connect to your deeper consciousness and expands your mental awareness. You feel more alert, calm and composed. Improves breathing. Clogged up lungs or being unable to breathe properly is one of the modern day issues we face. Tadasana opens up your lungs and lets you breathe deeply. This ends up clearing your lungs too. Promotes weight loss. If you have been trying to lose weight but haven't succeeded yet, try Tadasana. Your metabolism will improve and you will burn calories faster. Boost energy levels. Another benefit of the mountain pose is that it helps boost energy levels. This is because it rejuvenates the mind, body and soul. Improves your mood. If you had a bad day, then practice Tadasana. It can help beat depression and strengthen the nervous system. Your memory will improve and you will be able to focus on matters that need attention. Provides relief from sciatica. If you have got sciatica, Tadasana will help provide relief from the pain and it also helps prevent it from happening in the future. How to practice the mountain pose. If you are wondering how to do Tadasana the right way, read on, we'll tell you how to perform Tadasana. Here's how to do it in the standing position. Stand on a yoga mat. Your feet should be slightly apart. Your hands should be alongside your body. Inhale deeply and slowly raise your arms upward, then interlock your fingers. Raise your heels and stand on your toes. Your toes should be fanned out a little. Feel your body stretching. Look up. Place your body weight on your toes and stretch out your shoulders, arms and chest up. Hold this pose for a few moments. Exhale and return to the starting position. If you have never performed this asana before, you must practice it with caution. Here are some precautions you will need to take while practicing this asana. Don't do this pose if you suffer from insomnia. If you experience a headache, stop immediately. If you take any blood thinning medications or have low blood pressure, avoid doing this pose without consulting a doctor. So friends, this was all about Tadasana, also known as the mountain pose. This is Gunjan Sharma signing off. Thank you. Have a great day.